So here is Fishbowl app, professional network app. It's kind of app for professional communities, kind of like LinkedIn. Um, but but you might not disclose your name, and you can be in an anonymous hidden profile and stuff like that. And you can network remotely. You can get advice on like some career decisions. You can join some groups. You can find companies. So that's basically, this is the app. The main feature why it's going viral, it's because it opens the opportunity to have this kind of like chats, like hidden chats about like work, some having some gossip. And of course, if you are posting that on Facebook, everyone will know that. But here you can have a bit more private profile and then just discuss all the career opportunities at some companies, ask questions about your career choices and stuff like that. So there are more than 10,000 ratings, 4.5 average rating, 10,000 ratings. And then, so let's just go through the app. Let's just explore that. So here's how it looks like. Basically, you have just a feed of professionals who are asking all these questions. You have live audio events, and then you can join different groups which are called bowls. So these are the second tab, bowl. You can create your own bowls. So here you can see your own, like my bowls, which are like social media strategy, work-life bowls, stocks, interview tips, like all of these other types, some careers, companies. So here you can, for example, see Deloitte. You can see some discussions around it. You can see some funny jokes. And the cool part is these are not random people. So for example, if you work at Deloitte, you can only sign up with Deloitte.com email or verified work email. So it's quite hard actually to fake. Maybe it's not that hard, but still to fake your profile that you work at Google or Microsoft. So it should be verified with Fishbowl. So you know that for sure you are speaking here with the professionals who are working at these companies, and you can get some advice. For example, you got 2 offers from 2 amazing companies, similar offers, but you just don't know where the culture is better, where is the better fit for you, and where you need to go to. So that's how it works. And then you can just get some advice from it. So then you can get some notifications. Then there is your profile. So you can create your profile again. You need to add like a work email. Then there are some posts. Then there are some live events. There are some bookmarks. Here you can see some love, like it's a positive recognition you have received from others in your industry. You can explore trending posts. So for example, here you can see some interview tips, for example. So for example, some advice on interviewing tips. Some, like questions and all of that. So you can, of course, go to your feed and then tap ask a question, and then just ask some question. You need to select a bowl. So bowl again is kind of like a Facebook group. So like work-life bowl, and then you can just post and like, so all of that, you can just tag a company, you can add a tag, and all these people who are working in the companies, they will be notified. You can also just search for people here. So you can just tap search for people, just search like that, and then you can just discover and these are people who are working in a lot of like major corporations, like a lot of big companies. So it's like a lot of like office workers, and there are just some amazing threads here as well, similar as on Twitter: posts, polls, people, Q&As, companies. Also there is like a job section, and then there are notifications, then there are careers, like your own profile. And yeah, so that's the idea basically. Then there are some live events, some posts, and balls you can see here. You can search, explore balls. So for example, privacy law, ball for privacy law is for job prefers, account management, addictions, New York City, career pivot. So you can join that, and you can see there are a lot of people here, like 64,000 members, 25,023. So yeah, it's not like on Facebook that some groups can have obviously like millions and millions. It's not that rich, but it's very kind of like a focus group of professionals. So you can just go to your profile in bottom right and just discover all the balls you joined and see some suggestions. You can also invite people if you just tap in top left here to invite them. Then there are settings. You can enable dark mode if you like dark mode, something like that. You can invite people. So then there is your account. Then you can delete your account if you want to. So that's pretty cool, because maybe you are concerned about your data and privacy. If you need to update your account, email, phone number, company, industry, you do not need to delete your account, just contact support. Account deletion will be processed and finalized in 30 days or less. You can cancel the Fishbowl account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deleted by logging back into the application before then. So that's the idea. Then there is privacy. Then there is legal. There are push notification settings, contact preferences, sounds, page settings. So yeah, that's the idea. That's how it works. That's the app. So interesting app. And then you can invite people, you can go to your feed, you can see some messages, you can see some archived messages and all of that. And yep, so that's basically the idea of it. And that's how it works. That's the app. So definitely give it a try. Definitely check it out. And yeah, hope it can be helpful in your career and professional growth.